Hi friends, in the last session we have discussed the tuple creation and accessing elements for tuple, and we also discussed the tuple versus immutability. Right, these three concepts we observed as part of in the last session. So nothing but tuple creation. So how many ways we can create? Four ways. First way, second way, third way, and this is the one. Next, accessing elements of tuple. Okay, how many ways we can access? Using two ways, by using index, and second one is by using slicing, and the third one is by using, I mean, third concept is a tuple versus immutability. Okay, third one is nothing but tuple versus immutability. So now in the today's session we are going to discuss about I mean mathematical operators for tuple. Okay, mathematical operators for tuple. Okay, mathematical operators for tuple. So mathematical operators for tuple means in the list we observed that plus operator and star operator. So the same thing we can apply in this concept also. That is, we can apply we can apply plus comma star operator for tuple also, just like a list. Okay, just like a list. So that is, first one is a concatenation operator. Concatenation operator. Okay, concatenation operator, and the second one is a multiplication operator. Multiplication operator or multiplication operator or repetition operator. Okay, repetition operator. So now observe here concatenation operator, that means a plus operator. Okay, that means a plus operator. Multiplication operator, repetition operator means a star operator. So observe here, first we have to consider about the concatenation operator. First we have to consider about what? Concatenation operator. So concatenation operator is nothing but it is going to add the tuple to next tuple. That means so the resultant will be first tuple and the next tuple combined into one unit, one single tuple. Okay, adding first tuple and first tuple and second tuple into one into one unit, or nothing but one tuple. Okay, one tuple is nothing but is nothing but is nothing but concatenation operator. Concatenation operator. So the behavior observe here how it is going to give the result. Okay, the behavior observe here how it is going to give the result. See, most of the cases why I'm taking ideally means we can execute through notepad and saving the program in that way also. But just here a indentation problem I don't face anything, so that's why I'm considering ideally. Fine. Here. So here I have taken one tuple. Okay, here I have taken one tuple. From here to here I am taking second tuple. T1 is equal to this one, and T2 is equal to this one I am taking. The T1 is equal to this is the tuple, and the T2 is equal to this is the tuple. Next what I am doing means T3 is equal to T1 plus T2. Okay, T3 is equal to T1 plus T2. So next what I am doing means after combining tuple. Okay, after combining tuple T3. Okay, after combining tuple T3. So observe the result. I'm going to add these two, this one tuple and this one tuple. So don't think that, okay, don't think that 10, 50, 60, 20, 60, 80, 30, 70, 100. So don't think like that. Just it is going to add this tuple to the end of this list. Okay, this tuple is going to add the end of this to tuple. Okay, so observe the behavior now. See, if you observe here 10, 20, 30, 40 like this, we are getting the output. Clear, right? This is the way can add the elements to one tuple to another tuple by using concatenation operator. Okay, next. So the just the same thing in list which I have observed, the same concept here also. Let observe here also once. Mathematical operators for list objects means here I have explained with respect to concatenation operator, repetition operator, with respect to numbers and strings, and two cases I have explained, right? So in the same way, tuple also will be available. That means observe here, observe here. I have taken first one tuple, and the second one I'm taking Sai Kumar. So observe carefully now. Type error can concatenate only tuple, not string to tuple. Okay, clear, right? So so the note, if we are adding one tuple to another tuple, both should be of same type. Both should be of same type. Otherwise otherwise we will get error. Okay, otherwise we will get error. Okay, so if you are adding one tuple to another tuple, both should be of same type, otherwise we will get error. Clear? So this is nothing but concatenation operator. Next, next means multiplication operator or repetition operator. Okay, next one is nothing but multiplication operator or repetition operator. Multiplication operator or repetition operator. Multiplication operator or repetition operator. So the same thing, but observe here the behavior now. Same list, what I have explained, the same story is available here. Here I'm taking first one tuple. Okay, if I'm going to take the second one also be the same means what happens? Okay, if I'm going to take the second one also means what happen? T1 into T2. Okay, T1 means T2 means what happens, like my question. Now it is giving that can't multiply sequence by non-int type of tuple. Okay, that means, so if we are multiplying a tuple, both, I mean first one is of what type? Tuple, and the second one is of a int type. Okay, that also I will explain. Example 1. Example 1. Next, example 2. Example 2. Example 2 means now observe here the point, next point. Here what I am taking means I'm taking 3. Here I'm taking 3. So first one is of tuple type and second one is of int type. So now here first tuple is going to repeat 3 times. Okay, first tuple is going to repeat 3 times. That means 10, 20, 30, 40, 10, 20, 30, 40, like we are going to get the out. Okay, if you observe here, 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 and here. Okay, so okay, this is nothing but we are getting. But if I give, okay, but if I give 3.5, okay, if I give 3.5, what happens? Okay, if I give 3.5 means what happens? So that is the question. Observe here, in this case we are going to get the error. Okay, in this case we are going to get the error. The what is the error? Can't multiply sequence by non-int type of float. Okay, can't multiply sequence by non-int type of float. That means if you are using repetition operator, okay, if you are using repetition operator, one should be tuple type and the second one should be of int type, should be specified in the form of base 10. In any other case we will get error. Okay, note, if we are using, if we are using what, if we are using repetition operator, repetition operator, one should be, one should be of, if you are using repetition operator, one should be of tuple type and second one should be of, should be of int type and should be, should be specified in the form of, in the form of base 10, should be specified in the form of base 10, otherwise we will get error, otherwise we will get error. Okay, this is nothing but mathematical operators for tuple. Okay, in the same way we can use for others also. We can use comparison operators, comparison operators also will work here. We can use comparison operators also, there is no any problem, there is no any problem. Comparison means less than or equal to, greater than or equal to. Okay, comparison operators and relational operators, comparison operators and relational operators, so there is no any problem. Comparison means double equal to, comma, not equal to, so there is no any problem, right? So this is nothing but mathematical operators for, I mean mathematical operators for tuple. Okay, so we can use the plus and star operator for tuple objects just like a list. Okay, list and a tuple will give the same type of output, there is no any change, but the thing here is we are taking tuple. Okay, except that result will be the same in list and tuple case. Okay, thank you friends, thanks for watching this video. If you are having any questions or queries, please reach out to my email id in the given description or post your query in the comment section. Thank you friends, thanks for watching this video and please subscribe to my channel.